I want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. July the 1st, 2009. Whoa, what a day. Can you ever be so wrong day? Oh my goodness. Chinese PMI started in Asia last night. Just got the ball kicking. Oh man, a little painful. Cable really was the relative strength loser as Euro Sterling, as we'll see, continues to rally. Numbers out of London, no great shakes really there. In line to a little bit better. But German retail sales, that was the big primary one in my opinion. Again, this China story, I think that was a major story. Chinese are trying to bring up next week's G8, the topic of the dollar being a reserve currency again. They're not letting up. They are being relentless. So the dollar looks to me on the precipice of a possible major breakdown. When I take a look at this chart, look, this is a closing high now for the euro dollar. Broke out of this whole level. It was a 1, 2, 3 week high. I mean, this could be the start of a major move. I know some people are pretty skeptical of it, and maybe I should be too. But if this China story has legs, we could be seeing a nice move up tonight. I would not be surprised. A little announcement, by the way. I finally started my Twitter. Tweeting. That's twitter.com/voice of Forex. Same thing as YouTube. And believe me, if you know me, I'm so ADD. I'm a market junkie. I'll be twitting all day long. I'll be twitting in the middle of the night. So, absolutely, you want to subscribe to that. Maybe even give it a special ringtone. But Eurodollar looks like to me we're going to be buying it right here. Again, 140, that would be a spot. Listen, if I'm going to get, shaking around, I get shaking around. What can I say? Shake and bake. But, this looks like a big breakout. It was a nice reversal yesterday. It looked to me like we were going down. Never took out the 140 level. And then, to the moon. But I think that this story definitely could have legs. Now, again, remember, ADP tomorrow. I don't believe, and I talk more about this on my radio, the Global FX radio. I don't necessarily see the futures being up huge before this report, especially with ADP so bad today. Remember, ADP was horrendous. So given that ADP was so bad, the market is going to be anticipating a bad number. Now, if it's a good number, and to me, a good number is anything under 400, 370, 360, good number. Any good number. And I would imagine we are going to see dollar yen exploding, carry trade exploding to the moon. ADP is not a precursor. It's 50-50. Flip a coin. You do just as good. Dollar yen could be heading towards our channel line here of 98, be 130 pips. Why not? So very big night ahead, especially with non-farm payroll. Very big. And again, my opinion, I think this number could be better. I never believe ADP. Take it with a grain of salt. But should it be better? Dollar sells off, carry trade to the moon. You might get a pullback to buy, but that's where I would play it. Now, again, we take a look here. Look, shooting star, look at that big reversal, right? We had a nice reversal here. Look, it did it before. Cable's done this before. I'm going long cable. Right? It broke out, reversed, gorgeous shooting star. I was very bearish on this. We made a little money. It closed. And look, the next day, never look back. Never look back. So I believe that we're going to see a situation where the pound was the relative strength loser, and now I think it's going to become possibly the relative strength winner. So again, take a look at this chart. Look at the next day. Boom, to the moon. Right, shooting star, bearish engulfing, rallied, and then next day up next. So I think this cable could be up nicely today. I'm looking to buy on pullback. Take a look at this dollar Canada. My best idea, people. Best idea. Look at the outside day in the loonie. Just look at this chart. Look at all this channel. I know it didn't hit it. Would have been nice if it hit it. It didn't hit. But we're getting very toppy here. And you look at this chart. This is a very nice outside day. took out the high, to close well below these other areas. I think we're going down. I think we're going to retest this 114 level. I think we come down to that, maybe even 113. Bang, bang, bang. Look at the outside bar back here when we finally reversed. Next day, boom, boom, boom. It just went down 4 straight days. I can see us going down, certainly, to our channel line here at 113. After that, obviously, it's anyone's guess. But certainly, 113, to me, is in the cards. And that means Euro Canada, which I brought to your attention yesterday. Oh, like best idea. Look how overbought this thing is. I don't need stochastics or MACD to tell me. This thing is so overbought, it's a joke. Look at my channel. Look at my nice channel. Don't you just love it? Bang. So pretty. So pretty. Touched it too. Perfect. I think we easily come down to 10 exponential. That's 161. Tomorrow, I think, unless we take out today's highs, again, outside day. Took out the high, took out the low. Bye-bye. Euro sterling. Continues to break higher. Nice little hammer. Hopefully you bought that pullback. We didn't get much of a pullback last night. That was actually a nice trade for us. We had that. We came on the short side. We started cable higher. Sterling yen didn't even hurt us. Euro dollar and euro yen really were the culprits today. And dollar Canada was in 100. Throw off. But certainly to me, taking a look at euro sterling, we got more to go. But big resistance at this 86 level. Big resistance. So, I think we probably continue, we rally, and then we reverse. Remember, look, hammer, bullish engulfing, continuation, and reversal. 3-day move. Look, 1, 2, 3, bang. Right? This is exactly what I see happening. 1, 2, 3, bang. And in my opinion, when euro sterling does reverse, if it does reverse after Trichet, remember we got a rate decision tonight. If it does reverse, and euro doesn't go down, cable is going to the moon, Alice. To the freaking moon. Euro yen. Hey. This trade will work, in my opinion, 4 out of 5 times. 80% of the time this will work. So it didn't work. Doji looked beautiful, reversal. Sterling yen reverse. Now it's gone, like the wind. Gone. We could be seeing, can't believe I'm saying this, but we could be seeing 140. 350 pips from here. Certainly you're going to go for, what is that, like 37.50. I am looking to short the carry trade into strength. I think if the carry trade is up significantly tonight before ADP, before non-farm payroll, there's going to be a sell-off. Now, I'm going to flatten out. My game plan is looking to be flat ahead of non-farm payroll, but I think there's a trade. Should the carry trade rally, there will be a trade to the short side. At some point, the future should be negative. Obviously, with euro sterling so strong, with cable not that strong, we had sterling yen, the relative strength loser today. But obviously, we take out 158, and it's not going to look very good. But this baby could be ready to explode. And I'll tell you the other good one I like, because if I like the loonie, I like the loonie across the board. Look at this one. I showed this to you the other day. Day late. Day late. Big breakout. Look at that. To the moon, Alice. Oh, it's ready to resume its uptrend channel. Would you look at that? I'd say over 85. It's going to get there. I want a BOP. I want to buy on pullbacks. Hopefully we get a pullback to like 83.50. And I'm all in. Now again, not tonight. I'm looking to get long this thing after non-farm payroll comes out. I think we might have reversals. Aussie yen looks great too. Closing highs. Looks like, resuming this uptrend channel. Maybe we bust higher. But, it is Wednesday. Remember, triple roll Wednesday, so I'm a little nervous. I'd rather be short. Dollar yen, I'm going to be shorting right on the close. That's about the one sure thing I know I'm doing. And again, if you're looking to go premium, globalfxradio.com. Don't forget my Twitter. Tweet. Tweedledee. Dollar index. Didn't close below it. Looks like we're going to break it, though. Andrew Spanton. Global FX Radio, the only voice, 11 Forex, that makes you money tonight.